Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today will be another DIY video. I can't wait to show you what amazing crafts I have created for my lovely home, but I would like to share it with you. It was really easy to make and turn out really cute. So also this video is a beginning of my Christmas series. So through the months of November and all the way through Christmas, I will be showing you how I will be decorating my home with my crafts for our upcoming holiday, which is Christmas and New Year. So if you would like to know, let's get on with the DIY. Okay, for this project I'll be using my second half of my kitchen towel that came from the Dollar Tree. I already did a pillow with it. If you would like to see it, I'll throw it in the cards above. But this is what I'm going to be using for my base, and then I will use this for the outside. And this inspiration came from my friend Elizabeth. She did an outdoor waterproof pillow using a tablecloth. I think her video is from last year. I will link it in the description below if you would like to see it. The pillow was really cute, but she did use inside to stuff it with the disposable bags, but I won't be doing this because I want it for the house, but I do want it to be spill proof. So I will use this towel as my kind of base pillow, and then I will use the tablecloth to do around it. And I stuffed my pillow with as I told you, this is still the same pillow. I got it at the Walmart. It was one of the cheapest ones for $2, so I used the stuffing from that to create a pillow. And to seal my edges, I'll be using the Share Bonder glue fabric sticks, and I'll use one of my old glue guns because I did not want my cordless it has a regular glue stick, so I didn't want to pull it out or, you know, dispose a whole glue stick. So this, my old little glue gun, will be for my fabric sticks. So this is what I'm going to be using right now, and it is a crappy one because it's dripping, but this would work for now. I have it on a special plate where it can drip in and be fine. But this is my inspirational pillow that I'll be doing for you today. Also, this video is a part of a monthly challenge that is hosted by me. This is my monthly challenge, and it's called Inspired DIY Challenge. What it is, you have to find an inspirational piece that is really inspired you, and if it's one of your creators, friends, so we were asking to give a credit to that person, and if you found it on Pinterest or any other social media and you don't know who it is, we would like to see what, at least a picture, what is inspired you. So as you know, my co-host for this month is lovely Antoinette from Simple Yet Chic. She is an amazing creator and wonderful friend. I love all her crafts. She has a very unique style, and all her farmhouse is my favorite theme. So every time I watch any of her farmhouse, I'm like, wow, how did she come up with it? She is my inspiration as well. Most of my people, my YouTube / friends creators, that are very inspiring people and wonderful creators. So please don't forget to go check her out. There will be a playlist link in the description below with all other creators who are participating in this challenge. I would like you to go check them out after you're done watching my video. So now let's go back to the DIY. for this project, I'll be using this different colored mesh, and some of them from Walmart, some from Amazon, and I think one is from Michael's. I'm not sure. So I don't know exactly which colors I'm going to be using. So I want to use all of them since it's a Christmas color, but we'll see how in the process how the colors are playing together. Then I'm gonna use this liner. I got it at Michael's. I got a bunch, well, about 10 of them because they're only $1, and this is gonna be the centerpiece for the wreath form. And I did not have a 10-inch wreath form. I have an 8, so I'm gonna work with the 8 one from the Dollar Tree. Then for the middle part, I wanted to use this mesh tubing along with the jute. And to secure everything, I will use the zip ties from the Dollar Tree. And this project is, my inspiration came from this lady. Her channel is DeanMichaelDesigns, and the video that inspired me was called Daisy Petals Wreath Tutorial. I will link everything about it in the description below, and I'll pop it on the screen how her channel looks, so you need to go check it out. She has some amazing stuff. Okay, so I pre-cut the mesh 10 by 10. I got some pipes, clears, I guess, zip ties already. So it's gonna be a lesson learned because I have never done it. I tried one, it's already zipped up over here. It looked like it's working, but I'm sure it is an easier way to do it. But you fold the mesh in half like that, and then you're gonna grab this and squish it together to create a petal, just like that. And then you're using one of those zip ties, twisters around it to secure your leaf. There you go. And now I'm gonna attach it. First I'm gonna put this through. I'm gonna attach it to the second, the top one. The top one over here, because it's the first one around. I'll do this, and then I'm gonna use the zip tie through it and zip it to get to the wreath form. So, and then I'm gonna cut the excess of the zip ties. Just like that, and I'll go around and do the rest. Okay, when I almost finished with the first layer, I changed some of the stuff that I was doing at the beginning. So you fold the same way, just like that, and then you kind of grab it all together in here, just like that. Form the wreath, the leaf, and I wasn't using this ones anymore because it was just like a double work. So I went straight for zip tie. So I went through this, then put the leaf down, and just secure it just like that. So this way you don't waste two things. So you just, one is good. Then you cut it off with either wire cutters or the scissors. Scissors are working for me better. So this looks like one more leaf and the first thing would be done. Okay, so the first round is done, and now I'm gonna use this color mash, same size, 10 by 10. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna insert the leaf every two. So like one would be here, then one would be here, and then every two, and then I'll go all the way around. Okay, so this is how it looks. You gotta fluff it up a little bit because obviously when you're working with it, the leaves getting squished. So you kind of want it to do that. So I was gonna do a different side of the middle, but I decided that I really like this bow. This is from the last year. I'm not sure where I got it from. And as you could tell, it's been in a box because I just pulled all my Christmas out and it's been squished. So what I'm doing, I'm straightening the petals out, and I did try it, kind of measure it if it's gonna hit the middle, and it looks just wonderful. So I decide that I'm gonna use this bow for my middle, and to make it a little, because I wanted the middle to be a more like a little farmhouse style. So this is gonna be the middle, and then I got that. So what I'll do, I'll use my hot glue to secure the bow, and then my little burlap rose right in the middle, and we'll be done. Okay guys, this is a quick announcement. Next month's challenge will be on November 24 at 7 p.m. Eastern, and my lovely co-host for that month will be Elizabeth from Dandysoap DIY. We became a great friends, and her channel is just an amazing. She has a unique style. She's teaching how to create crafts, and I just love it. It's lots of farmhouse, lots of everything you use for the home. How she shows how she decorates her home, and I just love her unique techniques of her teaching and showing how to create a DIY. You need to go check it out. But if you are going to participate in this challenge, the rules will be linked on my community tab. It's again Inspired DIY Challenge. Anything that inspires you, you can create and show it to us how you recreated it. So hope I will see you all there. Bye for now. So that is all for today. Don't forget the playlist is linked in the description below. And if you're one of my new people, let me know in the comments below so I can welcome you to my YouTube family. And if you're one of my returning, I really appreciate you coming back and supporting me. Love you guys very much. And I will see you in my next DIY video real soon. Bye for now.